How to change language in ProRealTime mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and we are learning how you can easily change your language setting in the ProRealTime application using your smartphone. So first of all, launch open the ProRealTime app on your device and log it to your account by entering your credentials. Once you are logged into the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap the three dots. You'll then come across this expanded menu. Click on Preferences from it. Under Preferences, if you go to the very top, you'll see the Display tab. Underneath the Display tab, you'll see Language. Tap on it and select the language you want to switch to. After making a selection, the change will take effect immediately. You can always go back to the same language menu and then change back to your preferred language anytime you want. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thanks for watching.